Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I am Parthavi, a third year MBBS student and welcome to Parthavites. So this is one of my most requested video. मुझे बहुत सारे comments आ रहे थे कि which is the tablet that you use, how do you make notes, how do you use your tablet for your MBBS and studies and a lot of things. So I already have two videos made. One is about कि iPad या tablet MBBS में necessary है कि नहीं, and the second one is about the tablet that I use and उसके जो particular features है वो. In this video, I'm going to particularly explain you more about how do I make my own notes and which app do I use and is that particular app enough for making notes or do you need to purchase any subscriptions. Okay, so ये जो app है Samsung का, it has an inbuilt notes app feature, so you do not need to purchase any extra additional notes app. क्योंकि अगर you are purchasing an iPad तो उसका जो notes का feature है is not very convenient, तो तुम्हें like most of the time purchase करना पड़ता है like good notes ये वो etc. But in Samsung the inbuilt notes app feature is so good कि कुछ और खरीदने की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. मतलब at least this is my own opinion. क्योंकि it is more than enough that for reading your PDFs, making your notes, highlighting, सब कुछ के लिए this is very convenient. So let's begin. Firstly, it has multiple options. You can choose whichever pen you want. फिर तुम अपना पेन का ये brush है. Then there's a pencil feature and you can also adjust the sizes accordingly जो भी चाहिए. उसके बाद you can also choose multiple colors. बहुत सारे colors के options है, बहुत सारे shades के options है. उसके बाद then you have the highlighter feature. So for example, I am making my notes and I write down something and I want to highlight it. So I can use this highlighter feature. Highlighter में also there are various options. One is the straight line feature. Then one is this. And then there is this, there is a rounded one which also moves. Then there is one marker feature. And next is the eraser. So Samsung has actually given you one manual eraser there where you can select and erase. And the second option is, for example, right now I am highlighting something but I want to erase it. I'm not using the option there. There is a button on the S Pen which is extremely convenient. You just have to press that and erase. I have not selected the eraser option and then still I can do that. So जब भी I am making notes, for example, मैंने कुछ लिखा है and then I have to erase it, I don't have to go and select the eraser. बस ये pen मैंने press कर लिया and I erase it. That is it. Then the next feature is the select option. So for example, मैंने गलती से कुछ एक page पे लिख दिया but I want it on another page. So I can select it and I can move it to another page. Or I want the size to be smaller. और I want it to be larger. तो ये सब I can easily do here. उसके बाद the next one is the colors. As I already told you कि बहुत सारे colors के features हैं. Then we have So this is a align handwriting and convert to text feature. So firstly I'll write something for you which is very random. For example, I write it up and I am doing this purposely. मैंने ऊपर नीचे लिखा है so that I can show you the align feature. तो अभी मैंने ये use कर लिया and I click on align handwriting. You see that ये पूरा सब कुछ एक line में आ गया and that is it. उसके बाद I have the next one is convert to text feature. So when I write here and I click on the convert to text feature, I select this and it gets converted to the text. So now ये text को मैं नीचे से copy भी कर सकती हूँ and I can paste it wherever I want. For example, यही slide में I want to paste it. So here it is. उसके बाद तो ये feature क्या करता है कि when I am writing something, this is the feature. When I am writing something, ये चीज अपने आप you get a baseline and then you can write on it without having a lines feature. So here it is. When I am writing, मुझे baseline मिल जाता है and I also don't need a lined or ruled page to write and it even looks good. तो अभी मेरे को baseline मिल गया. Without baseline अगर मैं लिखती and here it is. Then the next feature is okay, so इसमें क्या होता है, when I'm writing something simultaneously at the same time वो चीज I will get it converted into the text. So here you see that it is extremely simple. Then the next one is the highlighter. ये magic highlighter जिससे कुछ है, and this is one of my most favorite feature. क्या है ना कि this works like a highlighter but you don't have to erase it, ये अपने आप चला जाएगा. तो for example you are reading your PDFs, you're reading your books which are pre-highlighted. So I have that habit कि जब मैं कुछ read कर रही हूँ, when I want to recollect things, I want something to write बाजू में, तो मैं recollect कर लेती हूँ. So this feature is extremely helpful for me. I can write it and automatically disappears in just a few seconds once you pick the pen up. So अगर मैं कोई PDF open कर लूँ, for example मैंने ये PDF open किया and I have this and I can use this highlighter feature and I can just underline this, but I don't want to highlight it, तो ये disappear भी हो जाएगा. इसमें भी multiple features है कि like single color, then there is rainbow, and in rainbow there are multiple colors जैसे आ जाते हैं. So it is just pretty and it is very appealing to my eyes. उसके बाद इसी में there is a laser option as well. तो ये laser जो है you can move around while reading कि you can concentrate on that particular word. Yeah, so the next option is, for example अभी जो मैंने text लिखा है already, I want that text to be in a different color. मैंने पहले किसी में लिख दिया but अब मुझे erase नहीं करना है. I want that same handwriting but in a different color. तो मैंने ये choose किया and I choose whichever color I want. For example, I want this blue color. मैंने ये text choose कर लिया. Also मैं यहाँ पे size भी customize कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे और thin चाहिए या thick चाहिए. So without erasing the same thing that I have written, I can also customize the color and the size. The next one is okay. So ये feature क्या करता है ना कि when I am writing something मुझे एकदम छोटे handwriting में लिखना है for example, but I cannot just write it इतना छोटा छोटा. So what I will do is they give me a text box right here and I can write whatever I want. और वो अपने आप ऊपर आ जाता है इन छोटा हैंडराइटिंग, which is very convenient. Get it? Then the next feature, okay, ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा फीचर है कि अगर मैं ना कोई शेप्स ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, तो ऐसे तो बहुत रैंडम आ जाता है, बट इफ आई ड्रॉ अ सर्कल एंड आई लॉन्ग प्रेस दैट, इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली इन अ परफेक्ट सर्कल. It also happens with other shapes, like अगर मैंने triangle किया and I long press it, square and long press, circle, oval, heart, multiple shapes, even a line, a curve, इससे सब कुछ हो जाता है. ये हो गया shapes. Then yeah, अभी the point is कि how do I arrange my notes. I was also asked कि is it easy to arrange your notes in a separate folder and all. So yeah, as you can see, it is extremely convenient. You can see all the notes that I have arranged. मैंने particular folders भी बनाए हैं and I have customized it in particular colors. मैंने उनको naming भी किया है and I can easily sort and move my notes in that particular folder. For example, ये एक PDF है ophthalmology का. Now I just have to click on the PDF, move it and move it to ophthalmology, and that is it. Abhi that PDF is already in my new folder. Now I will show you one more thing is कि how do I change the color of the pages and the template of the pages. तो यहाँ पे एक option है in page settings where you can change your colors to any color that you like. बहुत सारे colors हैं and it is really aesthetically pleasing, I'll say. Also दूसरा option is page templates. So ये page templates ना तुम लोग ने बहुत सारे YouTube videos या तुम्हारे teachers के videos वगैरह में देखे होंगे. They use the square ones and the dotted ones. Also अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारा schedule बनाना है and you want to tick it off, there is one, this. यहाँ पे multiple templates है. Also you can download and add your own templates to this. हर page में you can add different templates as well. अभी इसी में मुझे कोई इमेज ऐड करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई ओपन माई गैलरी. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम यूजिंग माई स्प्लिट स्क्रीन फीचर. तो अभी मैं नोट्स भी ओपन कर लेती हूँ साइमल्टेनियसली विथ माई गैलरी. एंड अभी मुझे यहाँ पे ये इमेज जो है ये चाहिए. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज दिस एंड आई पेस्ट इट हियर. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई कैन, अभी देखो इसमें मेरा बैकग्राउंड भी रिमूव हो गया. बट इफ आई वॉन्ट द होल इमेज, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज यही से आई कैन ऐड इमेज. आई कैन गो टू द गैलरी. डन. I get the whole image added along with the background. So yeah, ऐसे differentiate you can just see. उसके बाद you can also, there are multiple things. मतलब तुम PDF पूरा का पूरा export कर सकते हो. Then there is voice recording. तो मैं कुछ recording add करना है तो वो कर सकते हो. Image camera on करके at the same time you take the image and you add it. उसके बाद you can scan audio file and sticky notes add कर सकते हो. See like this, and which is very like तुम्हारे it becomes like your book when you add a sticky note. You want to add any important points here, तो वो भी तुम लिख सकते हो. And you want the sticky note to be minimized, तो वो वैसे भी हो जाता है. You want to open it, multiple things can be done. Then the next feature, ये तो split screen हो गया. For example, I want to also watch my videos and I also want to make notes. तो मैं यहाँ पे मेरा वीडियो ऑन कर सकती हूँ. मैंने कर दिया मेरा वीडियो ऑन. And then I switch this off.
So where we'll be starting with
I can
three important
simultaneously
definitions
make my
to
notes
start with
whatever I
forensic
want.
medicine as such.
Okay, one more thing. If you have a Samsung device and you also have a Samsung tablet, तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो? There is a quick share option. तो तुम अगर तुम्हारे फोन और टैबलेट को कनेक्टेड रखो वो क्विक शेयर ऑप्शन से, तो तुम अगर फोन में कुछ भी है, समझो यू कॉपी द टेक्स्ट, वो अपने आप यहाँ पे पेस्ट हो सकता है, या यू कॉपी द इमेज, वो अपने आप यहाँ पे पेस्ट हो जाता है. दिस इज द मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट फीचर. मुझे लगता है बहुत इजी हो जाती है इससे लाइफ. जैसे एप्पल में जो फीचर है एयर ड्रॉप का, दिस इज सिमिलर टू दैट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एटलीस्ट, आई थिंक सैमसंग के लिए द इनबिल्ट नोट्स ऐप इज मोर देन इनफ. तुम्हें कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डू नॉट नीड any other apps to be downloaded. सब्सक्रिप्शन हो ना हो, this feature is more than enough, क्योंकि तुम इतना सब कुछ कर सकते हो in this app. One thing that this tablet has 128 GB storage when I purchased it, but yeah, ये expandable भी है. So I don't have to worry about the storage as well. It is expandable to about 1 TB. तो मैंने SD कार्ड डाल दिया तो मेरा आधा कम हो जाएगा. And the next question asked was कि 5G या वाईफाई. सो देखो, इफ यू वांट टू यूज योर टैबलेट फॉर कॉलिंग एंड दैट पर्पसेस, तो फिर तुम 5G ले सकते हो, बट देन वाईफाई टैबलेट इज मोर देन इनफ. अनदर थिंग दैट वाज आस्क्ड इज कि कितना प्राइस था इसका. आई एक्चुअली परचेज दिस टैबलेट अराउंड इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेल, सो आई गॉट इट फॉर 35,000 along with the charger, and obviously this is included from the Samsung website. And also you can use your Unidays app. उस पे ना तुम्हें स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है when you upload your ID card. या फिर Amazon में अच्छे सेल आ जाता है during the year end या दिवाली या Great Indian Festival and all that. And the cover and जो screen guard है that I purchased from Amazon. I'll maybe link down the products. This cover is from Robustron and also the screen guard is from Robustron. जब से मैंने टैब लिया है तब से ही I'm using and I don't think वो कुछ खराब हुआ है. It is all good and it has protected my tablet very well. अगर तुम लोग को और भी कुछ questions है, do let me know down in the comments. I will try my best that I answer your questions, and I think most questions तो cover हो गए हैं जो previous shorts डाले थे उसमें and इस long video में. And मुझे बताओ कि what do you want your next long video to be on. I am also having my university exams upcoming, मेरे third year के final universities. So do you want some study vlogs and stuff? Do let me know down in the comments कि तुम लोग को और क्या videos देखना है long form में. I will surely try my best to answer your comments and also make those videos. Till then, stay curious, stay inspired, and खुद पर हमेशा भरोसा रखो.